What is up, guys? This is Vincent with Green Joe Coffee. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I want to talk about the coffee cart crash course and what that entails. So the coffee cart crash course it's a course that it's more of a do-it-yourself. So it's not one that has a lot of like meetings and support. If that's something that you're looking for, then you should probably head over to the masterclass. This course is for folks that are like, just give me the facts, okay? I don't need any fancy meetings. I don't need any of that. I want to know, what does it take to launch this business? So we break it down into a 12-step program where it's launching a coffee cart business. And I really mean business. So you start off with doing things like getting your LLC, applying for an EIN number, what your tax schedule is going to look like, trademark search, branding, all that stuff that it takes to actually launch the business. Then from there, we go straight into things like the health department. You get a set of my plans, both for collapsible as well as standalone carts. We make sure to cover both of those avenues, as well as do-it-yourself guides on how to build those. So if you're interested in building your own, we have things like the measurements, the cuts of the wood, what kind of wood you should get, where you should get it, on both the collapsible as well as the standalone. So we cover both of those in the crash course. Plumbing, electric, equipment, the generators, top 10 lists, all that stuff is in there as well. Plus the mobile barista course, which is where I show you how to make my menu. I just bring the camera along, show you how to do all the drinks that I make, plus catering for hundreds of people, big catering. So all that is in the course as well. And then in the operations section, it has things like a checklist for your opening checklist, your closing checklist, a sample contract, so that when you start booking your gigs, you have something to work with. So all that is inside the crash course, and its main thing is to get you on the road, help you build out your coffee cart business, so that you can get yourself launched. So that's the crash course. If you're looking for more of a a supportive type of course, then I would look into the masterclass. That's where we have more one-on-one support, meetings and Q&A group and that type of thing. So, but for those of you that are like, hey, I don't need all that, maybe you have some do-it-yourself experience and you just want the facts on how to get this thing started, this is the course for you. So my name is Vincent. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope to see your progress.